राहुल दफ्तर सील कर दिया गया, उस पर क्या कहेंगे? आज क्या रहेगा सर पूरा दिन?
नहीं, दफ्तर सील उनका जो ईडी का प्रोसीजर है वो कर रहे हैं, और हम ज़्यादा इस पर टिप्पणी इसलिए नहीं करना चाहते हैं। ये तो एक पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा की बात है, तो इसको बार बार हम दोहराने से मुझे ठीक नहीं लगता। अगर वो सरकार चाहती है कि ऐसे चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होना, तो खुद निष्पक्षपात से वो अपना काम करती। लेकिन वो इतने जल्दबाजी में हर चीज़ कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब यही है कि कांग्रेस को बदनाम करना और कांग्रेस को डिमोरलाइज करना, और जो बीजेपी के विरोधी दल है उन दलों को ख़त्म करने की कोशिश वो कर रहे हैं।
सर, इसके अलावा कांग्रेस दफ्तर की सुरक्षा भी बढ़ा दी गई है।
ठीक है, वो तो एज यूजुअल उन्होंने किया है, और वो कह रहे हैं कि दफ्तर की सुरक्षा बढ़ाने के लिए हमने की। ठीक है, चलते हैं।
सर, कांग्रेस राहुल गांधी जी जो हैं,
ठीक है भाई, बात
कर्नाटक में सर वो लेंगे आज?
नहीं, वो छोड़ो, वहाँ से
Mallikarjun Kharge there reiterating that it is a witch hunt and it is a political vendetta is what Congress is reiterating. Harsha is also reporting live. Harsha, interesting developments in the last few hours. In fact, since last night when we saw Congress MP Rahul Gandhi also cutting short his trip to Karnataka. If you could take us through the finer details of this Hawala angle which has also emerged in this Freedom for Struggle for Profit scam.
Exactly, Samiksha. Now, when ED has conducted raids on Tuesday at 12 different locations in the national capital, including the National Herald building as well, where Young India office is located. But one thing is for sure that now that Dotex company is involved, which is the shell company based in Kolkata, we are getting to know that through Dotex, there can be many subsidiary shell companies as well, through which many funds could have been transferred, because many documents were seized and recovered from National Herald Young India office as well. Now we are getting to know that ED is preparing to conduct raids at different locations that are related to Dotex Shell Company, because we have got to know that with only 50 lakh rupees, Young India obtained the power of recovery of crore, which was given to AJL as a debt by Congress party. So how come with only that much of rupees and when the Dotex company itself gave the loan to Young India Limited, not when Young India Limited have never returned the money to AJL or to the Dotex who have given the loan of crores to Young India to take over the assets of AJL. So we're getting to know that the ED will be conducting raids at different locations today as well, because first time the raids were conducted in the national capital, different locations which were related in connection with National Herald, but today raids in different states will be conducted as well regarding the Hawala, regarding the Dotex company involvement, which is a shell company through which loan was taken. Samiksha, one thing also for sure, we have seen back-to-back meetings of Congress party leaders. Yesterday we saw outside, we were outside Congress forum. We saw Mallikarjun Kharge, KC Venugopal, Randeep Surjewala, Jairam Ramesh, senior Congress leaders. After coming from AICC headquarters, they straight went to Congress forum, did the strategy and plan of action meeting inside Congress forum. And today as well, they're having strategic meeting at 9:45 a.m. and at the Congress parliamentary office inside Parliament. Lok Sabha MPs and Rajya Sabha MPs will be present. Now they will take it inside Parliament in this session that the Young India office has been sealed, and this is clearly political vendetta. Misuse of agencies are being done, and not only this, BJP is trying to settle the political scores with Congress. Congress leaders have continuously been saying that, and today the adjournment notice have been given in the Parliament in both the houses by Congress leader Jyoti Mani. So today the day will be very interesting, because next plan of action of Congress leader will clearly be decided today, whether the Congress supporters leaders will be called the same, like to be on the street and stage the dharna or not, or they are going to take up this issue inside Parliament, or any other political party will be supporting the Congress or not, because we have been seeing TMC warming up with the Congress party inside Parliament since the Parliament session first started. So Samiksha, these are the entire details of the raids and the Hawala involvement involvement, and also regarding the strategy meeting which Congress leaders have to do today, because we are seeing back-to-back meetings which have been lined up by Congress leader. We also heard Mallikarjun Kharge clearly say that this is the political vendetta, and he have been saying wrong that no money laundering has happened. But ED has literally prepared a set of documents and the recoveries from Young India Limited office on Tuesday were done, and Mallikarjun Kharge and Pawan Bansal we saw they were coming on Tuesday, but they didn't support ED at the time of raids. They didn't provide any document, they didn't provide any supportive documents which could show the listing of check or the number of check through which the loan was given, and therefore following the preventive measures, ED clearly temporarily sealed the office of Young India Private Limited until further
Harsha,
notice.
Yes, we get your point there. We'll come back to you in just a short while. So Harsha, they're reporting live, and Anuj also getting us all those updates, searches that are also expected today as well, the searches that will be carried out by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the National Herald scam case.